Hello. Hi. That is so look at this roof, a living roof. Well, I don't want to go too much into it, but we did come in through the back door. What that means is we cut out how many hours worth of hiking?
We didn't. This is the hike.
I thought there was a back door.
No.
Oh, shit.
The research that both Justin and I did said that you needed to be in really great shape. It was about a 30-minute climb, climbing over barriers, climbing rocks, being able to lift your body weight up to be able to get to the next set of rocks that take you to the fall.
This is not the hike we were anticipating. In fact, this isn't a hike at all. Yeah, we're walking on pavement. There's no sound in Vietnamese. So
Ta,
Ba Ho.
Oh, 500 meters to the top.
Let's see where it goes.
Oh, there he is.
Where?
I think we spoke too soon, and this is where our 30-minute hike begins.
This has proven to be a little more challenging than we at first thought. Seeing how everything was under construction, we weren't anticipating this. I just want to take a moment to bid farewell to my youthful adventureness, because I can't make it up that. It's wet, it's slippery, I don't have the upper body strength. This is a confessional video. I miss me. According to Google Photos, this day last year, Leah and I were in full winter gear on top of a mountain in northern Vietnam. And today, look at that. Same country, different region. Amazing. So much construction, wow. The research that we did on this waterfall left us with the impression that this would not be as developed as it is. And this is obviously a new development. We have thatch roofs over here, and then there's roofs over here that actually have plants growing from them. I fear that this may be turned into some kind of a resort or some sort of exclusive space because of the type of work that's going in. The quality of work that I see is far different than what I've seen elsewhere. I mean, sometimes I wonder if countries don't have a right to limit foreigners' access to their precious natural resources and beauty spots such as this, but locals, there were locals that were out with families today. There are Vietnamese that go to this river and enjoy themselves. I wonder if they have to pay the same 50,000 VND.
I would think so.
I would hope not.
I would think so.
I would think so, but I would hope not. We arguing? I didn't think so. I think we're on the same page. I think so. Why you still have